What's up, everybody? Justin here. The Winds of Change is the channel name. Thank you for stopping by. Today, we're going to head to a bargain hunt to do some retail arbitrage. We're going to find some stuff in store for the cheap, sell it online for a higher, and make some profit. I realize that not all of you have bargain hunts. That's okay, because the principles and the practices and the general method of what we're going to do in here can help you with wherever you are sourcing at. But this is it. I've been doing this for over 10 years now, and you just go to stores, you find stuff, and scan it on the Amazon app or eBay, whatever your niche is. I do Amazon because it's a lot easier. Scan it and see what it sells for, see if there's a profit, check the sales rank, and if it meets your criteria, send it in and wait for that cash to come rolling in. So that's what we're going to do. Let's go check it out. Okay, checking the food aisle. Kellogg's looks here, 10 to 180 ounces is $2.50, and this is 12.8 ounces, so that qualifies. So I'm guessing these are $2.50, and they expire, I just saw it here somewhere, they expire in October of 2022. Up here, October 17th, 2022, and it is, what is it, June? So July, August, September, October. We got about 4 months left, and that is going to be fine to sell those, I believe, through FBA, I think. 55,000 seller ranking, selling for $12 each, going to make about $2.50 on each one. So not a lot of profit, but there's quite a few of them there. And the last couple months they were selling for actually 14, so the price just dropped like this month. So if we would get these, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, let's just say 20 times 250 is what, 50 bucks? Is that right? Or $100? $25? 50 bucks. So we'd get all those, we'd spend 50, and we would make back 50, and then there's a few more down there as well. So it's probably going to be a good deal here. I think I am going to get them. Again, something to watch out for. Can't stress it enough. Check your expiration dates. This stuff in a pack of 3 for $3.75 would sell for like over 12, and we would make almost $3.50 on it. And they're a real low seller rank. They would sell quick, but they expire 8 of 22, and that's only like in 2 months. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to leave those behind. All right, so y'all let me know what you think on this, what you do. Sprouted granola, sprouted organic granola, $2, and you would make like a $5+ on that, but there's no seller rank. So let me know what you guys do. If there's not a seller rank, do you buy it and chance it, or do you leave it on the shelf? I personally leave it on the shelf unless I'm feeling extra adventurous, and then I might get it to try. But typically, if there's no sales rank, I just leave it up. Let me know what y'all think. Okay, checking the cleaning stuff. We've got these. Now, I've sold a ton of these before. The prices went down. We're spending 1,000 seller rank, and it looks like we're going to get back about $2.79. So, if you get 10 of them, you spend 20, you get back 27, or you get back 47. So you're making $27 if you get 10 of them. So that with the cereal that we got, that's gonna put us at around 70 bucks for the short amount of time that we've been in here. The only thing that I don't like about these is that I put them in a poly bag, and they're heavy, and so you can't really send in a bunch at a time, because to make it worth it, you'd have to put a bunch in, and it's heavy. So I mean, it may cost you $12 to send in like $40 worth of profit. So I'll just keep them around. I'll piece them out. I'll put them in a poly bag, and just put in 3 or 4 on the boxes that I ship in, if that's how it works out. So that's how I'll do that. I'll send them in as I can. So I'm gonna grab some. I'm not sure how many there are, but we're gonna get a few.
The Clorox, oh no, that was name.
So I just got 10 of them. You want to check all the different flavors, right? All the different scents. So we got the blue ones. Here's the purple ones. These aren't really worth anything. And then when you find something like that, like this Fragrantia, oh, you know, hey, we can make some cash on that. So then you want to look at all the Fragrantia stuff. We can make like $3 on this, I believe. So selling for $4.50, and I think you get back like 7 something on there. So I'm not sure if those are actually worth it. We'll have to take a double look here and see, but they've got some different colors back there we'll check out. So on these, they're selling for $15. We would only make like $2.50 on them. So spending, you know, $4.50 to make $2.50, I think I'm gonna leave them. Same thing with these blue ones here. They're like $15. These are actually selling for $8 for a 2-pack. So we're gonna leave all the rest of those and go check out some other things. I already looked at the health and beauty. There was nothing there. So I found these. They're like these baby warmers here. It is a baby Beza or something, baby Breeza. They're 25% off. It's got a brown tag, so I'm gonna get them for about $26, $27. Now they're selling for like 60 something, so we're gonna make about 20 bucks on those. 11,000 seller ranking baby. I did get approved. It doesn't say it on my screenshot here, but you know, I hit request approval. I got auto approved for it. Nobody is selling it FBA. So nobody's selling this thing FBA. Now there have been FBA sales in the past. I looked at the Keeper graph, and Amazon has been selling it FBA and some third-party FBA like last month. So I'm gonna try to send it in FBA. Worst case scenario, for some unforeseen reason, you have to do it FBM. We're still gonna make about 15-20 bucks. Yeah, so it's not refurbished. It looks new. It looks good. Worst case scenario, something happens. I guess we can be one of those deviants who return it, right? So we'll see. There's a couple of them. There's one there, and there's a few more up here. By the way, I don't actually recommend returning things you buy. It's sort of a jerk move to buy it to resell it and then not be able to sell it and then return it. But hey, you do you, right? Do what you got to do sometimes. So let's grab the rest of these here and keep looking. All right, that's pretty much it for Bargain Hunt. Short trip, short video. Thanks for coming along. Unless we find anything on the way out the door, I think that's it. So let me show you what we got real quick, just to recap. We picked up these Kellogg's banana cereal. They go bad in October. It is June right now, so we want to get those in as soon as we can. We're making about $2.50 on those. These Clorox beads here, paid $2 for them. We're going to pay $2 for them. I'm making about $2.70 on those or so. And then these baby Brezza like water warmer things that we're getting on sale. We're paying $26 for, and sort of weird because there's no Amazon FBA sellers on it right now. There's about 10 fulfilled by merchants on there. Amazon's not on the listing, but it has been. So I had to get approved for those, but we got approved, and we're going to see if we can't sell those, and that'll be our biggest score here if that's the case, because we're going to make like 26 bucks on them, I think, if we're selling them on Amazon. So that's what we're getting. We're going to go ahead and check out now. Well, we left out all of the Clorox beads. When I got up there, they were $3 instead of $2, and since we're only making like $2.70 off each one, I'm not into spending $3 to making $1.70, so I left them all there. We did get the other stuff. I have to check the price tags better next time. I made the argument that there was a tag. There was a tag. It was for something else. There wasn't a tag for those, so I just, made my plea to maybe clear that up next time. But that's it. So quick run, found a few good things. Hoping those baby bottle water warmer things sell. They should. It's 11,000 seller rank, and Keeper graph looks like it's pretty good. So I got 5 of them. So looking like 125 bucks on that, I think, plus like the 40 or 50 from the cereal. So close to $200 for about an hour's worth of work. So not too bad. Still got to box them up, label them, which isn't going to be too hard because there's no labels to take off of the cereal, and the labels on the baby things should be easy to take off. So that's good. I'm out of breath. It's hot. Anyway, if you like the content, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, then give it a like. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to each other. Go out there, find some great stuff, make some money. Don't be a jerk. And until next time, I'll catch you all later.